Today I'm here at Solai and it's located in Nakuru County. I actually discovered this place during the World Tourism Day when the Nakuru County was celebrating the Tourism Day. And actually this is a lake that is here in Solai. Over the years, as you all know, the lakes around the Rift Valley have been somehow the water levels have been rising. So this one is also one, and it has displaced a lot of locals around this place. But the Nakuru County was trying to rediscover this place and make it a tourism destination. They introduced fish into the lake, and also the reason why they held the World Tourism Day was to make this place known to local tourists and also international tourists. So let's go and explore the place. There's a boat ride. You can take a boat ride to an island up there. Because this is actually big, and also there are also some flamingos. We'll go and check out the flamingos.
Reduce exposure, but still.
So this is the population of the flamingo around the Solai Lake. Pretty big. I didn't expect this actually. What? So that's been it, guys. That has been the Solai trip. Solai Lake, it's a place I would recommend. You can come and check out this place before Mother Nature does what it does best, and that is to surprise us. So I'll end the video at this juncture. Like the video to please the algorithm gods, and share if you feel like it's shareable. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.